how to set newly downloaded apps to add to home screen or to app library only on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe across and locate settings. In here, tap on settings. Now in settings, go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on home screen and app library. In here, go to the newly downloaded apps section and then choose either add to home screen or app library only. Now, if you select app library only, then any apps you have newly downloaded, it will be added to your app library only. If you select home screen, add to home screen, then it will be added to the home screen as well as the app library. And that's it. So select one of the available options here and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.